variable wall plate. Setting the ridge height. Place the wall plate up against the host wall until the bottom of the legs are level with the marked line on the wall. Position along the width of the conservatory until it's against the ridge assembly. The legs of the wall plate and the ridge assembly should be on the same level. Pre-drill a hole through the wall plate and into sound masonry. The hole should be approximately 150 mm from each end and 500 mm from each other. Secure the wall plate in place with 8 by 60 mm fixing bolts. Check for level before fixing securely. Some fixings shown in this DVD are for studio build only. Please refer to your installation guide for the correct fixings required. Once the wall plate is in position, fit the wing onto it. Select the starter bar which sits onto the wall plate quarter boss end against the house wall. Slot the bottom of the starter bar over the single pivot bolt in the eaves beam and loosely thread on the M5 flange nut. Fix the starter bar to the quarter boss using an M5 by 25 mm bolt and loosely thread on the flange nut. Now permanently fix the starter bar to the host wall, drilling through the starter bars and the wall, fixing into place using 60 mm fixing bolts. Some fixings shown in this DVD are for studio build only. Please refer to your installation guide for the correct fixings required. Attach the top of the hip bar to the quarter boss end with 2 single bolt retainers positioned underneath the quarter boss end. Position the holes at the bottom of the spar over the single bolt retainers located either side of the eaves beam corner. When all the bars and quarter boss end are correctly positioned and the wall plate is still level, tighten all M5 locking nuts.